Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mobolaji, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful bridal look using all drugstore products, mostly drugstore and Nigerian products. If you think this video is something you would love to watch, please do keep on watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Please do comment down below. I love to read comments from you. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next clip. Bye. Mobolaji. Alright guys, so the first thing I like to do is to clean the face with micellar water, and the micellar water I'm using is from Cosmetics. Also, I'm going in with moisturizer. So some people don't like to moisturize because their clients or model has oily skin, but to be very honest, you have to moisturize regardless of the skin type. Also, I'm going in with primer, and I'm using the Rimmel primer. Also, that brush I'm using to apply this product is from the Real Techniques brush set. Then after priming our face with primer, then I'm also going into our brow bone area with a mattifying primer. This is to keep all the oil in our brow bone area away, so that when I draw the brows will not be looking shiny. Also, moving on, I mixed in 3 foundations: the V Beauty foundation, Saron Cosmetics foundation, and also Milani Superstay. We all know that Milani Superstay is drugstore and it's really good. A lot of people are using it and it's really nice. The V Beauty foundation is a Nigerian brand and it's so nice too. Very nice coverage, smooth, easy to blend. Yeah. So I'm just blending in the concealer with my beauty blender. This method is the method you use when you want to get full coverage. If you want like medium to sheer coverage, you can just pick up the foundation with your beauty blender and apply. But if you want full coverage, you can apply all the foundation and then press it in with beauty blender. I'm just trying to make sure that I've covered all the areas of our face. Now I'm going in with my concealer. You guys know that LA Girl concealer is the real G, like real deal, real OG. A lot of people have been using, like LA Girl has been trending since like 2015, 16, and it still performs, like it still does wonders. So the first one I used was LA Girl in medium beige, and now I'm applying Fawn to the outer corners of our eyes, just for easy blending basically. So I first blend out the darker one before blending the lighter shade. The darker one is just so the lighter shade will blend into our skin easily and there won't be like demarcation lines and all of that. Yeah, so I'm just going in with Isando's Cosmetics concealer just to bring back, like just to brighten our under eye and our forehead because it wasn't looking bright enough for me. You may skip this step if you want, but I'm just using this. I'm just doing it because I like the under eye area a little bit more brighter. So right now I'm setting the under eye and all the places where I place concealer. I'm setting it with a translucent setting powder, and I'm using the RCMA translucent setting powder. Alright, so after that I'm just setting the rest of our face with normal powder. I'm using the Beyond Beauty powder to set the whole of our face. The other areas where I did not set with translucent powder. Now I'm going in with contour, and I initially started using a powder from the Milani powder, one of the shades, the darkest shade. Yeah, so I didn't like the that powder. It wasn't dark enough for me, so I went in with my Maybelline powder in cacao. Yeah, so what happened here was that while recording, I didn't realize that my camera went off, like the battery was low. And because the model was closing her eyes all the period where I was doing her eyebrows and eyeshadow, she didn't notice it as well. So by the time she opened her eye, she just said, please, oh, the camera is off. So that was when I realized that all the eyeshadow and eyebrow process was not recording. But I promised to record a detailed eyebrow tutorial and eyeshadow tutorial in my next video, so please watch out for that. So yeah, I just went in with like a darker powder for a contour. I used blush, and I'm just dusting off the um setting powder that I placed on her face. Now I'm just lining her eyes with really dark gel liner from Zaron Cosmetics, and I'm also using that to line a waterline. By the way, the eyeshadow palette I used is from Isando's Cosmetics, and I placed luster pigment on top of that. Now I'm setting the spray. I'm setting her face with the Kiss Beauty setting spray. Then I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter. Also, I'm just putting a little bit of highlighter on the bridge of her nose and on the tip of her nose. Then on top of that, I'm putting the Ibadan Beauty highlighter on top of that to give you more highlight, you know. By the way, her hair was slayed by Cola. I'll put a link in the description box down below. Hair by Cola. That was the person who slayed my hair. Then I'm going into my eye magic lip palette. I'm just mixing the two brown shades there together. I used that to line her lips, and now I'm just going on top with regular gloss. I added the Beauty by AD lip gloss and just one other random lip gloss. Then I added a clear lip gloss on top of that. And then to round up this look, I'm just smudging a waterline with a brown eyeshadow with a precise brush. I'm just smudging a waterline. After that, I'm just using a mascara to coat our under eyelashes, and that's it for this look. What do you guys think about this look? Please comment down below. What part of this process do you think you like the most, and what other tutorial would you like to see from me next time? Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.